So yes, the Xiaomi Pad 6 got the palm rejection, but primarily someone wrote here that getting frustrated it detects my palm while I draw. Search online, people say palm rejection is automatic. So I bought original hardware and all software up to date. I don't know why it doesn't have palm rejection. So it depends on the app. If the app supports it, search in the app settings. So this is something that you need to know, and you can try the Node-wise app for it. So this is something like important about it, that yes, it got, but it really depends what kind of app you're using. And if you want to get it, then like look for some good app. So thank you and have a great day and goodbye.